Welcome back to this next episode of the Cross Atlantic series. After having a nice layover here in Iqaluit, we woke up very early to depart at 6 o'clock in the morning to fly to La Grande Rivière, and the next episode will be the last one. But first we focus on this one and jump right into the DA42.
So, taxi lad, fucking brake. And here we go. Good morning guys from Iqaluit. So today we fly from here to La Grande Rivière, somewhere in Canada. Then we continue to the factory in London, Ontario.
Uniform Delta Bravo, can I do confirm holding short of runway?
Yeah, that's correct, we will hold short of runway 16 at Alpha.
Sure.
So, taxi light is off and the parking brake is set. Now I wait for the oil temperature to get up. Gearbox is in the green already. We have 5 degrees outside air temperature. Quite cold.
If you want to skip the takeoff checklist, then please skip forward to 248.
Parking brake is set, seatbelt function, jump bags upright, radars closed, front campus closed, front baggage doors check closed, the warning light is off, circuit breakers are all in. Electric elevator trim is set for takeoff and it's working of course. Fuel selector both on, radar trim is as required, flips are up for departure, flight controls, full left, full right, full up, full down. 3, idle, MFT. 2, engine instrument page and voltage switch. A, auto, B, auto, A, auto, B, auto. ECU test. 4 lights on. One cycle.
Uniform Delta Bravo, can't I do? Advise one ready for departure.
Okay, Oscar Delta Bravo.
Uniform Delta Bravo, say again.
Wilco, Oscar Delta Bravo. Good. Done. The rest is all line up. Okay, we're ready to go. And Oscar Delta Bravo is ready.
Uniform Delta Bravo, can I do? Roger, you're planning departure runway 16?
Yeah, that's correct. 16 Oscar Bravo.
Roger, runway 161340 at 3 altimeter 3000. We may taxi your discretion and stand by for clearance.
Altimeter 3000 and taxi on discretion and standing by for clearance, Oscar Bravo.
Uniform Delta Bravo, can I do? Roger, have you clearance ready? If you can copy now.
Yeah, go ahead.
ATC clears after uniform correction. After Echo Uniform Delta Bravo to the La Grande Rivière Airport at Iqaluit 5 departure. Yankee Golf Lima direct, depart runway 16, squawk 5247.
Clear to La Grande radio via the Iqaluit 5 departure, Yankee Golf Lima direct, runway 16, squawking 5242, Oscar Delta Bravo.
Negative on the squawk 5247.
5247, I should read my own letters, Oscar Delta Bravo.
The same problem, read back correct. Contact Montreal Center 134.55 airborne.
1 airborne 134.55, Oscar Delta Bravo. 5247. Okay, landing taxi, P2 hit, fuel pump. Brake is released, the projector looks clear, runway 16 is identified. Install it fail, of course, because that's connected to the squad switch. That's cool. The route is basically a direct to the VOR from La Grande, so that's nice. So it'll be 672 nautical miles direct. So, time for sunglasses. Runway heading is checked, and anti-the panel is checked, and timer and takeoff power. Oscar Delta Bravo starting the takeoff roll. Start. Takeoff power. Takeoff power is set. Engine instruments are checked. Airspeed is alive 2 times and 50 cross-checked. Rotate. Positive rate. Brakes. And no chance for relent, gear up. Gear is up. Target speed 92. And we contact Montreal. First we do climb power. We can stop the timer. Then we do level change. 92. Heading mode is green and autopilot on. Heading green, autopilot, the audible level change 92, altitude 5000 selected. Montreal Center, good morning. Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo is passing 2100, climbing 5000 on the Calumet 5 departure.
Oscar Uniform Delta Bravo, Montreal Center, identified, climb at 16,000 on controlled airspace. Proceed direct Lagrande Airport.
Direct Lagrande Airport and climbing and maintaining 16,000 in uncontrolled airspace, Oscar Bravo.
Roger.
Direct. Nav. Right turn. Goodbye, Calumet. Good. Climb check. Gear is up. Flaps are up. Fuel pumps. 1, 2. Climb power is set. Alternate air is not required. And the landing and taxi light is off. And we are on our way. So just also gonna put the direct here on for flight. We clear to Lagrande, take the VR, direct to zoop and zoop. Yeah. As always, climbing up, and then I'll come with some en route information. So see you then, guys. Goodbye. So hello guys, we're cruising along here on our way to Lagrande, and we're on uncontrolled airspace and on an en route frequency, and we have to report like our positions from time to time, and I don't receive any radio from any VOR here. So what I did, I just took up ForeFlight, and as you can see here, I took the nearest airport, Inukjuak, and used this feature, and now I got the track from there, the magnetic one, which is 110, the distance, and now I can do my position report. So that's a very handy feature here on ForeFlight. And from time to time you hear people like reporting their positions. It's mainly like Dash 8 aircraft which are like operating in this area. Nice view. It's unbelievable how much lakes there are down here, and yeah, it's a crazy landscape. And since we're uncontrolled, what we actually could do is like autopilot off and do whatever we want here. Take a look down here, which is amazing. And then on the other side, yeah, that's cool. That's an amazing landscape. Do whatever you want. Autopilot on. You hear that? That's a position report in French. I'll come back in the descent and approach for La Grande, and it's gonna be a cool one because the weather forecast casted is broken 600 and the minimums on the LPV approach are 300 feet. It's good to get some real IFA training. I'm looking forward for that. And yeah. So, see you later, guys. So guys, hello again. It's starting to rain now. Nice. So I descended down to 5,000 because I wanted to fly a little bit low. And I'm doing my checklist now. Exit. Next is final. It's good that we get a plane wash before we arrive. Very nice. So now switch to La Grande. La Grande, radio, bonjour, Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo Diamond DA42, maintaining 5,000 feet, is currently 20 nautical miles northeast and looking for the RNAV runway 31.
Hi Diamond, Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo, La Grande Radio, good morning, Roger, runway 31, wind 020 at 5, altimeter 3001.
Altimeter 3001, Oscar Delta Bravo.
Roger, report EP.1, current weather condition visibility 1-2, light rain, 400 few, sending 3,700 broken, 7,700 overcast, and we have a runway surface condition of 1306 if you're ready to copy.
Here you go.
Roger, La Grande, runway surface condition, runway 31, condition code 555. 100% wet, 100% wet, 100% wet at 1306, and the friction index is not reported.
That's copied, Oscar Delta Bravo, and we'll report EP.1.
Roger.
So now, when we're 1 minute in front of the top of descent, aircraft will tell me vertical track.
Vertical track.
Ah, there it is. And since this is an airport, or it's an uncontrolled airport, I will arm the approach mode. Glide path is armed. And now the aircraft will fly the approach on its own. Oscar Echo Uniform Delta Bravo is coming up on EP.1 in 1 nautical mile.
Uniform Delta Bravo, La Grande Radio, Roger, report ONGOG.
We'll report ONGOG, Oscar Delta Bravo. Oscar Delta Bravo is ONGOG and turning final runway 31.
Uniform Delta Bravo, La Grande Radio, Roger.
So, glide path is moving. 1 dot above. And glide path is captured. Missed approach altitude is 2,300, is set. And speed is checked, get on. Runway in sight. Get down, 3 green. Speed is checked, flaps approach. And speed is checked, flaps landing. Now we're looking for 85 to 90 knots. So we are approaching the minimum of the pilot off.
Minimums.
Continue.
Minimums.
And with this landing we complete part 1 of day 3. I hope you liked it, and be sure to tune in for the next episode, which is going to be the last one, when we arrive in London, Ontario at the factory. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.
Oscar Delta Bravo is backtracking runway 31.
From Delta Bravo, La Grande Radio, Roger.
Oscar Delta Bravo vacating via Bravo.
Inform Delta Bravo, La Grande Radio, Roger.
La Grande Radio, Roger. Take slides off, parking brake is set. Time 3:06. So nice approach, guys.
So yeah guys, as always, back when we depart again. Goodbye. That was a cool approach.
Yeah.
It was raining as...
Yeah.
We got a nice plane wash.
Yeah. Now it's cold and wet.
Welcome to Canada. You should be like, oh, let's go.
Yeah.
You're freezing.